Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to change your email address on Amazon. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, go ahead and tap on your account icon at the bottom left of your screen. Once you're in this page, go ahead and tap on your account. Under Account Settings, tap on Login and Security. Now go ahead and tap on the Edit button right next to your email. Now you can go ahead and type in your new email address. Once you're done, tap on Continue. You will be receiving a one-time password in your new email. Once you have entered your one-time password, you will successfully change your email address on Amazon. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.